Join me as I try to find out if I can really check for heart blockage at home using just a few simple methods. Heart blockage, also known as coronary artery disease, is a condition where the coronary arteries, the blood vessels that supply blood to the heart, become narrowed or blocked due to a buildup of plaque. This can lead to serious health issues, including heart attacks. You might have heard that you can check for heart blockage at home, but is that really true? Many people struggle to recognize the symptoms of heart blockage, which can include chest pain, shortness of breath, and fatigue. These symptoms can be subtle and are often mistaken for other conditions. Without proper medical expertise, it's easy to misinterpret these signs or ignore them altogether. Self-diagnosing can be incredibly risky, as it may lead to delayed treatment and worsening of the condition. The risks of self-diagnosing without medical expertise are very real. For instance, some people might experience no symptoms at all, even with significant blockage. Others might confuse heart blockage symptoms with those of anxiety or indigestion, leading to a delay in seeking proper medical care. This delay can be life-threatening, as timely intervention is crucial in managing heart blockage. What's more, self-diagnosing can also lead to unnecessary stress and anxiety. Imagine thinking you have a heart blockage when you actually don't, or worse, not realizing you have one when you do. The emotional toll of this can be significant, affecting not just the individual, but their loved ones as well. There are various home methods and tools that claim to assess heart health, such as pulse checks, blood pressure monitoring, and even certain apps. These tools can provide some hints about your heart health, but their reliability and limitations must be understood. For example, while a pulse check can indicate an irregular heartbeat, it doesn't necessarily confirm a blockage. Some devices and apps claim to detect heart problems through simple tests, like holding your breath or using a fingertip sensor. However, these methods are not a substitute for a professional medical evaluation. They can be influenced by numerous factors, including hydration levels, stress, and overall physical condition. So, the bottom line is that while some at-home tests might give you, a few hints about your heart health, they just can't replace professional medical evaluations for heart blockage. A doctor can actually perform comprehensive tests, such as an ECG, a stress test, or even an angiogram to accurately diagnose heart blockage. These professional tests give a really detailed view of your heart's condition, which allows for accurate diagnosis and proper treatment planning. Relying only on at-home methods can end up giving you a false sense of security, or honestly, even cause unnecessary panic. So, to sum it up, while it's really great to be proactive about your heart health, there's honestly just no substitute for professional medical advice. If you're concerned about heart blockage or, any other heart health issues, the best thing you can do is consult a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and treatment based on your specific situation. If you've had any experiences with heart health checks or concerns, I'd honestly love to hear about them in the comments. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on heart health for more insights and information. Heart blockage, also known as coronary artery disease, is a serious medical condition that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. But can you really check for heart blockage at home? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities and limitations of self-testing for heart blockage. From understanding the symptoms to DIY tests and medical procedures, we'll cover it all. Watch till the end to find out if you can really check heart blockage at home and what steps you can take to protect your heart health. Alright, here are some helpful hashtags to check out for more information. #coronary artery disease, #heart health heart rate, #home remedies for heart health, #climbing stairs, for heart health, #heart health awareness, #heart blockage, #ECG, #foods to unclog arteries, #home heart test, #heart disease, prevention, #high blood pressure, #heart disease, #symptoms of heart blockage, #pulse check, hash treadmill, stress test hash, healthy lifestyle hash measure waist size hash heart health tips and hash clogged arteries.